I've been thinking about everything you said, but if I move to result-based cleaning, more measurement, more flexibility, different schedules, doesn't it just mean my costs go up?
What are you paying for right now?
Cleaning 5 times a week across all my buildings.
Every space, same frequency?
Well, yes. I need to be sure everything is cleaned every day.
So, a room that is seldom used gets cleaned at the same rate as a main entrance lobby?
Yes, I need to be sure everything is cleaned every day. That's the schedule.
And the contact surfaces in your busiest office? Keyboards, door handles, lift buttons, are they on the same schedule too?
I suppose they are.
Activity-based cleaning creates an overuse of resources. It overcleans spaces that don't need it and undercleans the ones that do. Time, chemicals, energy, water, going where the schedule says, not where the need is.
But I need data to know where the actual need is. And inspection costs money too. Does it really pay off?
You start with the spaces, what matter most. Build a picture and adjust. And data tells you where to focus and where you can safely do less.
So I can actually spend less in some areas?
And get better results in the areas that matter most. In one study, the structured cleaning program with audits and feedback reduced hospital pathogens and saved around 150,000 Australian dollars directly, and over $1 million when prevented infections were counted.
That's significant, but only if you keep it going, right?
Exactly. Results started going down within 2 months when feedback stopped. It's not one-time fix. Continuous monitoring is what keeps the improvement alive.
Also, what about seasonal changes? Winter is totally different from summer in terms how dirty things get.
Exactly. Result-based cleaning accounts for that. The same fixed schedule running all year, regardless of seasons or occupancy. This is activity-based thinking. Then the goal is the result. You adjust the reality.
And it's not only money, is it? Using fewer chemicals also matters.
It does. Over 60% of cleaning chemicals produced globally end up in waterways, harming aquatic life. Using chemicals where they are not needed, it isn't just wasteful, it really impacts the environment.
I hadn't thought about it that way. I assumed changing model meant adding cost, not relocating them.
The goal is never the activity. The goal is always the cleanliness, achieved as efficiently and responsibly as possible.